Hi, I'm JC, and I'll be going over the origin and insertions of the humerus and the scapula. First, we'll start with the anterior scapula. Number 22 is the insertion of the serratus anterior. Number 17 would be the origin of the coracobrachialis. Number 8 would be the origin of the short head of the biceps brachii. Number 18 would be the insertion of the pec minor, and number 4 would be the origin of the subscapularis. Then we get to the posterior side. Number 23 would be the origin of the deltoid. Number 21 would be the insertion for the levator scapulae. And then right above the spine of the scapula would be right here the insertion for the trapezius. And this red area right below 21 would be the origin of the supraspinatus. And then number 15 would be the insertion for the rhomboid minor. 16 would be the insertion for the rhomboid major. Number 1 would be the origin for the infraspinatus. Number 2 would be the origin for the teres major. Number 3 would be the origin for the teres minor, and number 10 would be the origin for the long head of the triceps. Next, moving into the humerus, number 5 would be the insertion for the subscapularis. Number 7 would be the insertion for the pec major. Number 8 would be the insertion for the latissimus dorsi. Number 6 would be the insertion for the deltoid. Number 14 would be the origin for the brachialis. Number 22 would be the origin for the brachioradialis. Number 19 would be the origin for the extensicarpi radialis longus. Number 18 would be the origin for the common extensor tendon. And across from 18 on the medial side right here would be the common flexor tendon origin site. And then the origin site for the pronator teres would be right above that, right here. And then number 9 would be the insertion for the teres major. And then on the posterior side, number 3 would be the insertion for the teres minor. Number 11 would be the origin for the lateral head of the triceps. And then number 12 would be the medial head of the triceps, the origin site. And then the number 13 would be the insertion site for the coracobrachialis. And that'll be all. Thank you.